Welcome to a website company introductory videos. Now, you have purchased a website from us and now you are ready to use it. Now you might be wondering, how do I add products? How do I view customers? How do I run coupons? These introductory videos shall introduce you to all of those concepts and all in under 5 minutes each. So, firstly, you must log into your website. We have created for you what is called an administrator or webmaster account so that you can access the back end of the website or the administrative panel or the administrative dashboard, whichever you want to call it. But this is your personal account to edit and change anything about the website, from its text, from its products, and so forth. You should only give persons you trust this account or contact us to make another for employees or accountants that you might want to also give access to your website. So let's begin. Firstly, we must hover over My Account. Your website may look similar to this, but they should all have an My Account area. And you want to click Log In or Register because we are going to log in to your administrative account. Now, we do not need to register. We need to log in. We have given you login information already. This can be found on the documentation that was emailed or WhatsApped to you. If you don't have your documentation, please contact our representatives and we shall give you it. On that documentation, on about the second page, you might find a username or email address, which you should enter here, and a password. Please enter that and keep that safe. You can change both the email and the password at a later date to something that you prefer. Once you have entered the email and the password, like I have done here, press the login button. Upon pressing the login button, you will see a black bar. This black bar here means that you have logged into an administrator account. No customers will be able to view that black bar. So, if I hover over the website name, I would see dashboard. I would now need to click this button here. Upon clicking it, you would see the entire screen has changed to something that looks a bit foreign, maybe. Not to worry, we will be going through everything in these videos. This, however, is your dashboard, your administrative panel. Here you can make changes from anything on the website. So if you want to add images, if you would like to add products, if you would like to ban customers, if you would like to check orders, it can all be done here. And in the future videos, we will be examining each one of these elements from post, media, pages, comments to ensure that you have the knowledge you need to run your e-commerce store, to run your blog, or whatever website you might have. This video will end here and we shall see each other in the following video. Thank you.